Utie Oha Echi Ponkno Needs FM.
Ejapa diuli mua moye finance committee ya Ghana National Bedefie. Eba before amanim. Any ejuma eye special prosecutor eswa ye dia fa oni nyina ne yensem a ene de yensem dada aye ne dada. Recommendation observations or dia ba betudwa. Finance committee ni titiri mu amodom dodo na fa. O committee ni so betudwa na temu se.
Yo, many I find them mamma different na so you ma aban and na pampo. Many are some James so. Michelle. Na ejapa astemia abai. If you say as the case no, it be ma omompanya kufuado. For say astemia is the epaja no. Nyema ye cast the Beshishe Emra 2017 Mineral Investment Income Act no. Yenianum and this Punina and Transfer a year. Special purpose declare a criteria and they implement Imrano. Say a semi copajai civil society Kasai Kamlu Chano Minister of Finance say that suspended at the end. Yenya Martin Amidu, special prosecutor. It's also here corruption risk assessment. In fact, in the report, Minyan can report but we know say he makes no recommendation, but we yet observation or then a report. Akoma Mompany Kufuado. I would check him ready. And I'll say, Pamlo, Chano, Yensan Fanchi Yeno, Enco Parliament. One of the concerns that Yenalum NDC for the Resi or Parliament are Umudina so a day a walk out, and they say, America and I saw the share some of the agreements, no, is struggle. Nenya enough. Enti sa akwanya weyaba. Ama yenyina say Ghana boy ye government in power. Any enuanuma on the other side of the aisle. Ama ye kwai ama ye sa hwe embram to president the other no. Say even procurement in Dimpo na anya we can integrate that. Now, yet ye at the intermediate, if you say, this is the first time in the friends say corruption risk assessment for a major project or program like this. This is a chance here, especially President Biato. I bet me every shoe I take advantage. Mafanya for Nankasa Wajim ready. If the office said, Brano, let's go back and have a discussion. Now, I never quite, I am there, our report, no, no, say, tell also, GT, our Minister of Finance, mention me with the same GT, and they feel say we can get it done. As to say, data bank, I na on ye. Young call about testimony and data bank. Since 1993, as I say, I wish I say about Ghana ha. A year to more Ghana ha. It's union and this was so much say 2014 we used to data bank at the support way. A man a year transaction advisor and I say at the car transaction advisors at the currency hero bono.
Okay. But honorable Bachomeba, the woman is say data bank and work on one say one more transaction advisors. Report ye be there and said I work and say one yank and moon ye dear. But the woman say appointing transaction advisors no according to Martina made the report no also na a moon naho or you see the word opaque. I just say a moon yesum a moon naho transparency nemo. Hitherto Data bank and now bodino. List of companies are according to Martina Midobetu Jan. Sano mon count in the report.
Yes, but share even procurement of that transaction advices now. I think 8 companies were listed. And part of the rule now to say they have to, especially the foreign companies, JP, Morgan, the others, they have to work with local transaction advisors as part of the procurement process. There were 8 companies. And the point I just want to make is that over the years, Data Bank as a company has been used by different companies in recent times, including NDC in 2014. To me, for me, that is not matter for me. Bottom line, I say, let's go back to the drawing table. Let's interrogate the entire process when we get opportunity at Parliament, and make sure say, as there is this year, the Ghana, I'm here to monetize and leverage royalties from the various mining concessions. We do it for Ghana. So if you ask me, Libya time, we are going back to the drawing board. It's an opportunity to make sure that we interested be at me any opportunity no appear, and I say was submitting an appearance before the committee level and do it. For instance, one example recently, about 3 months ago or 2-3 months ago, Nekoye Emrebi Afa Borrowers and Lenders Act. Both sides of the America Finance Committee. Make a updated law. A courtroom papers will be. And I am a war Ghana Bankers Association. If he said they should make an input. Finance Committee could a recommendation in BBR. But Yafanko Fikasium and could debate until say Nathan is a question beam. Bill, I can't show you almost do recommendation a buy the Bank of Ghana, Finance Committee, Bankers Association, any other interested organization, and one after the other, you go through you taking OBIA input. If it's a BNSSC, or Japan issues with him. You bring a second opportunity based on the president instructions, not their manner. Indian entity for Indian civil society, they can all come at a committee level. We sit and look at it. This is a BBS, I said, baby, I said, because Obia transaction advices where now Emrano any Nasurintino or Resicano here. If he said that you can't sign up, now you're stretching it too much.
Okay. Honorable, would you also appreciate the fact, say, minority for a boycott, say, a brand that's idea, Namodia to Ghana, because one of the issues, Grants and Omo raising, yes, $1 billion and be not yet come once and say, if I should be report ya capture. Says, $1 billion na yes, Abekano, and na emuna ho fine, and na ye who can be fast or could a contact. The ban send the rival at the $1 billion, but yet no not more can say, I didn't be beyond that one to say, some special prosecutor na. Adia yedi wura mu asana ka se no ama we nyina no na nke mu ana hofo ya magana fo
minia majere se ka transparency in terms of the ecosphere, but me I say the process to a large extent very large extent especially as far as the parliamentary processes were concerned, but transparent. It was not done in secrecy. The law was done in Parliament. Even the transactions actually setting up special purpose vehicle. In your NDC for a good group committee level, okay, time when you have 4, 5, 6 hours to look at it. The chairman of the Finance Committee, Dr. Asibeyepua, granted them the opportunity. Okay, any suspend the meeting no. What's when you 4 hours? No, 4 hours and conquer. It's a debena 1 billion was done in secret.
Would ye or ha actually punk no? Needs FM.